everyone, it's Katt here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out the newest products from Untitled Cosmetics. It's their Superfine liners. Before we jump into the video, be sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also, come and follow me on Instagram so you can see some content that I won't be posting here on YouTube. So let's get started. So Untitled Cosmetics were kind enough to send me their second release product, which is their Superfine liners. Yung first product kasi nila is the powder pout. As you all know, dati siya detail makeover, so nag-rebrand sila. Usually, pag ganun kasi, yun yung parang new products nila. So, I would consider this the second release product nila. And I feel like when I upload this video, hindi ko pa rin na-upload yung powder pot nila. I know I'm super late. It's just that gusto ko kasi magpa-giveaway. Unfortunately kasi lahat ng shades were sold out. Kaya, nag-postpone muna ako pag-upload ng powder pot. Anyway, today we're gonna be trying out this Superfine liners. So, inside the kit, we have a card here and a message sa mga sinenda nila ng PRs. So, this is what it looks like. So, I'm going to take out the product para makita nyo. So, ang theme nila for this second product release, as you can tell, coffee. Coffee yung theme nila. So, we have a cute mug with the name detail on front. Ayan siya. Tapos, may mga props siyang coffee beans. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't remember the last time that I drink coffee because I usually go for tea, but it smells so good. And here we have a rustic pouch which contains the 4 shades of their Superfine liners. Super cute, diba? Here I have the 4 shades of their Superfine liners. We have the shade Coffee, Cappucino, Mocha, and Hazelnut. Pag pa nag-order kayo ng drink sa coffee shop, ano yung usual na in-order nyo? Ako, I always go for Hazelnut. Ang Mocha kasi sa akin, too plain, kaya yeah, Hazel for the win. So I'm going to read the description of their Superfine liners. It's all about the details. This double-ended brow pencil shapes, fills, and defines your brows with its hard, waxy, yet creamy formula. This glides on without tugging. Use a spoolie end to blend the brush into place. Now you're left with natural-looking brows that last all day.
Happy reps.
This is the product packaging looks like. So, plastic siya, but hindi siya yung tipong plastic retractable pencil na packaging na yung maluwag siya. In a way, kasi diba may iba ka na kapag inuuga mo siya or pinipitik mo, naririnig mo yung product sa loob, which is hindi siya ganun ka-secure. So, yun yung napansin ko sa kanya. Also, na-notice ko, wala yung shade name sa mismong product packaging. So, kailangan nyo siya i-determine by its color. But, sa coffee, malalaman nyo talaga kasi siya naman yung darker shade. Before ko to i-try, I have 2 expectations. First is sana hindi agad siya maputol. Ang dami ko na-try na retractable brow pencil na local brand. Lahat na puputol. Kahit makakapal na siya yung triangular na tip. Nakapagtaka lang kasi dahil sobrang late na nga nung pag-apply ko, napuputol pa rin siya. And second, since coffee yung theme nila, I would expect na amoy coffee, amoy cappuccino, amoy hazelnut, and mocha to mga brow products nila. So, we'll see. Since puro black na pala ang nakikita nyo sa camera, I think I would go for the shade, I think cappuccino is the safest shade for me. Okay, so this is the tip looks like. Flat siya, which is good. Maganda kasi yung ganito instead of pa-curve. Usually kasi kapag may pa-curve akong retractable pencil, fina-flatten ko pa siya. Kasi para yung gilid niya, ayun kasi yung pag-apply mo, may pagka thin hair-like strokes siya. And it reminds me of the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is my holy grail and medyo may pagkamahal kasi siya. But I really do love it kasi yung paggamit ko sa kanya, never siya naputol guys, as in super sturdy niya. Hoping parang ganun din tong super fine line ng Untitled Cosmetics. So, we'll see. So, i-zoom in nyo guys para makita nyo on how it performs. So, this is what my bare brows looks like. See, there's no brow products. So, ngayon ko lang na-notice na wala akong brow hair on this area. Oh my god, what happened? Siguro kakalagay ko ng glue stick sa mga Halloween looks ko.
Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls go to Starbucks, yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart, no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start fam. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys, like yeah.
Honestly, this black shade is super pigmented since it's a darker shade. Kaya pag gagamit kayo ng ganito, make sure super light lang ng pressure. So this is what my left brow looks like with Superfine liner in the shade Cappucino and Coffee. So usually kapag black yung hair ko o yung nakikita is I will mix the two together. Hindi kasi bagay sa akin like plain dark or black lang. So I mix it with Cappucino na lang. This is perfect for everyday kasi hindi siya ganun ka super strong or solid tignan. Like may pagka-natural pa rin siyang tignan. I'm going to clean up my brows pero this part lang sa mismong arch area. Kasi kapag maglalagay pa ako ng concealer dito, mukha na siyang Instagram brows than natural brows. So, ayan.
She met me in college, I knew what I should.
So now let's proceed with the review. So based sa description sa Lazada, sa website kasi wala silang super fine line, puro powder pout yun na sa website nila eh. Wala siyang claims if it's waterproof, smudge proof, or budge proof. So ngayon, test natin if it's smudge proof siya. So I will use my index finger. Let's try this part ng brows ko. And okay, so merong transfer, but my brow still looks good. Hindi siya yung tipong kapag ginanon mo, may makikita kang area na talagang, alam mo yan, yung parang may butas tulad kanina dito sa part ng brows ko. And still looks nice, so which is good. So, let's test naman if it's waterproof. By the way, hindi pala ako gumamit ng brow soap or brow gel to set my brows. Yung nandyan lang talaga na nakikita nyo is the Detail Cosmetics Superfine Liner. So, we're going to test it out. So, we have a water here. Hard mist pala tong water spray ko. Okay. Ooh, di siya nag... So, I will use a tissue kasi minsan may hirap kapag yung skin mo yung pinang... Ano mo. So, I'll use this part of the tissue and let's try to tap it. Oh, hindi niya nakakuha yung brow products. Ang nakakuha niya lang is yung concealer ng panglinis natin kanina sa arch area. Okay, let's try this other side. Ooh, yung concealer lang ulit yung nakuha. Packaging-wise, ang Detail Cosmetics talaga, kompleto sila sa information ng specific product nila. Even nung detail makeover pa sila, andito lahat ng information, net weight, manufacturing date, expiration date, how to use, etc. etc. So, sa product packaging-wise naman, again, wala lang dito is yung shade name. Medyo ano lang, kasi parang huhulaan ba nung bumili kung anong shade to. Kahit sa takip, wala eh. Walang nakalagay na print, which is parang medyo downside lang siya in my opinion. Though, nandito naman yung ingredients, product name, cruelty-free logo, PAO, and recyclable icon. In terms with the tip, sobrang precise, and sa lahat na na-try ko local brand, ito lang yung pinaka-precise tip. As in, again, it reminds me of the Precisely My Brow Pencil ng Benefit Cosmetics. Performance and formula-wise, I do love it kasi it glides on smoothly onto my brows. You don't need to put too much pressure para lumabas yung pigment niya. Perfect to kasi sa mga gusto maka-achieve ng hair-like strokes with just one product only. To me kasi, I usually use eyebrow pencil. Like, favorite ko talaga eyebrow pencil. But the thing is, I can't achieve that hairline strokes. So, what I do, kailangan ko pag gumamit ng ibang brow product, it's either pomade or super fine na brow pencil, which is yung benefit na ginagamit ko para ma-achieve yung hair-like strokes on this area, etong part. Kasi ang pangit naman kapag solid yun dito. So, parang ang tawag ata dun sa brows na is boxy brows. Like, sobrang kapal nun dito, kaya parang itsurang galit ka. And that's what my brows looks like before. Pero ngayon, na-achieve ko na yung ganyang soft, yung ganyan yung dulo. Na-achieve ko yung pag-shape, feel, and achieve that hair-like strokes ng brows ko sa isang product lang. But again, super pricey. But luckily, Detail Cosmetics released their retractable eyebrow pencil with super fine tip. In terms with shade range or color selection, they released not 2 but 4 shades of eyebrow pencil, which is nakakatuwa kasi usually sa mga local brand, maximum na talagang nirelease sila is 2 shade, black or brown. To me, maganda yung may iba't ibang shade ka. Like, may mga taupe shade, may mga light shade, shade. Kasi like, for example, sa mga makeup artists, iba-iba kasi yung mga mini-makeupan natin. Like, especially kapag oldies, diba? Ayaw naman nila like, di naman sila nag-i-Instagram eyebrows, diba? Yung mga body, usually like, more on natural talaga. Also, nakakatawa yung shade na coffee kasi black siya, diba? But pag ilalagay mo siya, may pagka-gray siya. And to me, maganda yung ganon instead of black. Kasi pag super solid na black, hindi na eyebrow pencil yun, eyeliner na yun, diba? Pag kasi ganon ka black, parang ang kapal masyadong tignan. Parang nagiging Angry Birds na yung brows mo than more natural, diba? So, nakakatawa. Medyo nalungkot lang ako sa shade na Cappucino. I mean, I expect na may pagka-taupe. Okay? So, as you can tell sa packaging, taupe na taupe talaga yung color niya. Gray na may brown. But, mismo sa pag-swatch is may pagka-light brown siya ng konti. Kaya, I used the coffee shade or the black shade para mag-tone down yung yellowish brown niya. Which is kind of sad na I'm expecting talagang taupe itong Cappucino, but it's not. Price-wise, napaka-affordable nito, guys. For 149 pesos, you'll get 0.1 grams. And tingnan nyo naman kung gano'ng kadaming product ang magagamit nyo, diba? For me, if you're going for like a paddy brows, don't use this. Kasi this is more like natural brows, in my opinion. If you want sharp brows, use a pomade or a brow pencil mismo, not a retractable one. Overall, I do love the Superfine line. Marirecommend ko talaga sa inyo with its formula, color payoff, and price-wise. And hello, it's waterproof. But yung downside ko lang, to me, personally, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, but it's kind of minor lang naman siya. Hindi siya amoy kape. Like, ang theme mo is coffee, pero bakit hindi siya amoy kape? Like, for example, yung Morphine nag-release ang Coca-Cola line. So, may friend ako nag-purchase ng di daw amoy Coke. So, alam mo yun, parang, syempre may inganyo yung mga tao bumili kasi depende sa theme mo or depende sa nakakolab mong brand or beverage brand or food brand man yan. So, yun lang. Medyo nakakalungkot lang. Pero kung hindi naman kayo mahilig sa mga etchos-etchos na yan tulad ko, okay na okay to talaga sa inyo. As in, guys, I do recommend it. Again, kapag naka-curve na yung dulo, kailangan nyo siyang i-flatten for you to have or for you to achieve that hairline strokes. All you have to do is use any flat surface. Like, for example, itong mirror na to. Ito kasi pa-curve, but ito yung flat. So, I'm going to use this one. Pero make sure hindi ganun kadaming product ang nakalabas. Sobrang konti lang and you don't need to put too much pressure kasi nga sobrang creamy na nito. Kapag umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, it means pinanood nyo talaga genuinely yung review na to. And I would like for you guys also to try it. So, now I'm going to show you sa screen nyo yung giveaway mechanics. Yan, so good luck everyone and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!
I'ma be home soon, let's go get coffee for two. She liked me soon as she met me. I knew as soon as I met her. I took my shot, feel like Reddit.